Here's a bold and bouncy kids cartoon-style song called T for Tiger, full of rhyme, rhythm, and jungle, fun for alphabet learning. T for Tiger, T to Tiger, roaring loud and running higher. T for Tiger, T to Tiger, strong and brave, the jungle flyer. Tiger's stripes are orange and black, tiptoes softly, then jumps back. Big round eyes and mighty paws. T for Tiger, hear that roar. T for Tiger, T to Tiger, tough and quick, a speedy striker. T for Tiger, T to Tiger, clap your hands and stomp much higher.
Stomp much higher. Tiger loves the morning sun, chasing shadows just for fun. T for tree and T for tail, Tiger's roar will never fail.
Makes a poof sound, see? T for tiger, tall like tree. T for train and T for toy, T means tiger, jump for joy.
T for tiger, T to tiger, roaring proud the jungle fire. T for tiger, T to tiger, learning letters never tire. Would you like me to format this with a simple melody and rhythm guide, so it can be ready for a kids' cartoon music track sing-along video?